1 year ago in January 2019, I made a video predicting when Blackpink's Doo 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 would hit 1 billion views. Then I made another video making a better prediction, and finally, I nailed it on the third try. Blackpink hit the milestone on November 11th, and on that day, my channel got the most views in a day ever since it was created, all thanks to those two videos that I had made. People were searching them left and right, and to be honest here, my predictions weren't all that bad. So, we're doing it all over again, this time with a new video and a new group, BTS. Looking at the most viewed K-pop videos so far, DNA is bound to be the next video to reach the milestone, because let's be honest here, Boombaya isn't going to magically surpass DNA when it's nearly 130 million views behind. So the fact that DNA will hit 1 billion views next is like a guarantee. As a result, DNA will go on to be the fourth ever K-pop video to get 1 billion views after Psy's Gangnam Style and Gentleman and Blackpink's Doo 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 Doo. So the question now is, when? Well, let me answer that for you. Looking at Corb.net, a very helpful website that I'd used for my last video as well, DNA currently has over 940 million views. It's pretty close to a billion, so the prediction could be very accurate. What I learned from the previous prediction is that I overestimate people's streaming power. People inevitably stream less and less as time passes, especially when BTS isn't going to have a comeback anytime soon. In the past few months, their monthly views for DNA have been dwindling from 20 million to 17 million now. And this number is definitely going to decrease, and I'm gonna guess that the average monthly views DNA will get is around 15.2 million, or about 500,000 views per day. So now, let's do the math. As of when I'm making this video on March 17, 2020, there are still 59 million views to go for 1 billion. Dividing that by 500,000 gives me about 118. I'll say it's about 120 because the streaming speed could get even slower as I predict, so I'll give it 2 more days for more freedom and more accuracy, hopefully. So adding about 120 days to March 17 gives me July 15. Therefore, that is my predicted date for when DNA will hit 1 billion. Obviously, it could very well be wrong, but I made some pretty educated guesses here, so it could very well be right. After all, only time can tell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out more of my videos. And keep an eye out for when BTS's DNA hits 1 billion. My guess, again, is July 15, and I will be making any update video if my prediction changes or when it seems like it's gonna change. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later.